Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to go down here. This is the content browser, whatever number it is, doesn't matter. Right click, click Blueprint Class, and just select actor. That's generally the best for this. I think any of them will work, but let's just do this one. I'm gonna call this Hello World, blah blah blah. Can go over here and just load it up. It'll only take a couple seconds. Here we are. So we have this, don't worry about this ball. This is invisible. It doesn't matter in this tutorial. It's just basically, you can like add a model and like meshes to make like say if you wanted to make a character, you could add like a character mesh and then program the character. It's pretty cool. But we don't care about that right now. What we want to do is we want to make Hello World. So this is an event. This event, whatever's connected to it, whatever's connected to this event will be executed or ran when the game starts, when we'll begin play, you know? So I'm gonna just extend that. You just drag it. We're gonna say print string. Now a string in programming is the same thing as a word, so I'm not gonna really, I don't really know why it's called a string, but it's a little nickname we use. It's kind of cute, you know. So it already has a message in here. So this is the message right here in string. This is the message. So we can say hello world. So next to the, yeah, like that. I misspelled that. Oops. You don't really have to be good at grammar to program, honestly, which is really nice. Oftentimes, programming is easier than the English language, like most of the time. So that gives you some perspective. Okay, click compile. Compile basically just means check if we did anything wrong, which I'm suspecting we didn't. This is pretty easy, so just click compile. Oh, there we go. It's compiled. It's all good. Save it. This is so you don't lose your progress. And then play. This will just launch you to the game, and nothing happens. Why is that? Well, we have to drag this blueprint into our game world. So we just drag it like this. So now the blueprint is actually, now this blueprint is an object in our game world, also known as a scene. So when we click play, we see Hello World. So we can just change the message to whatever we want. We can say game began or something. I don't know if I spelled that right, but you know, something like that. Yeah, you see? So that's very, very basic, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave in the comments. I kind of was just looking for something to upload. I kind of wanted to do this, so sorry this is random, but bye.